ever gonna get it?
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, right? It should be anyway.
Should be.
Because nobody goes 50 times on one spot. All right, so what we'll do is we'll assemble the power nozzle, which this part you're gonna love. And the reason this is very light, so it's easy for your shoulders. Okay, put that there. This has a little button right here. Very simple, just push it in. Okay. And watch this. Easy to put the cord up. Just put the bottom part in there. Put your thumb at the bottom. Just slide it up the track so it's out of the way. All right, and the last step is right here. Then very simple. Just connect the little buttons. Done. That's how easy the power nozzle. Now this one, in your closet, leave it all assembled so you don't have to take it apart. All right, and then the hose, I'll show you, has 2 tabs. You don't touch these. The only thing you do is just lift up the little window and push it in. That's it. And there's locked in place. All right. So what we'll do is now we'll give this one a test run. All right. Back this up. All right. And let me see if I got this piece here. Yes, I do. So I got it. Focus right here. Now this is the visualizer. Okay, this is not part of the machine. This is just to show you how a bag clogs up on a vacuum cleaner. Okay? So very simple. Just put one filter, hold it with your thumb, and then you put the second filter on there, which is like a secondary filter on a vacuum cleaner. All right. So we'll do this. Plug it right in. The last step, put the visualizer, and then we are ready. This is going to blow you away, Title. Okay. This is for someone that might think, if I go to the store and buy a new vacuum cleaner with a new bag, it's not going to make a difference. And this will illustrate that. Okay, so if you can focus right here. Watching that cylinder. Oh my goodness. Wow. There's a lot of spinning, and then the spinning stops. That's it, it's not spinning anymore. And let me show you why that happens. Okay, put that there. Right on the ground. Okay. Check this out, Heidi. This will blow you away right here. Look at this. Now, what happened was the filter clogged. Once you get a thin layer of dirt coated on the filter, you're not able to pick up the dirt. All right, and then look at this one right here. All right, and that's what's actually what you're breathing, because that's what's going into the air, which then into your lungs. Now, we have all these filters here. We got about 30 of them. All right, see all those. If I gave you a choice of how you wanted your house to look like, out of all those, which would you prefer?
The one in the front.
The clean one, right?
Yeah, the clean one.
That's the reason you guys are cleaning so much, right? You want a clean home.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll put these here, and then I'll put them on the side. Now, watch what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up first. Okay, clean this one. Now what I'm going to do is put 2 filters on the back of the machine, because now we're going to show you what the rainbow blows out into the air. Okay? Got that. And then we'll plug it right in. Actually on the back I'll put it. Put on the exhaust. And we're going to see if the rainbow pushes any dirt out. That one. And I'm going to do just a little bit more cleaning and we're done.
Okay.
Down. Remember how the hose goes? Lift the little window and push in.
Right in the back. Okay.
Yeah. Now if you can take a look at the carpet. Look at it now. Okay, now watch what happens once you use the rainbow on it. here is the trigger. That activates the brush. It's a kid safety feature. So if you run over the cord, you can let go of the trigger and it won't burn your belt. Alright, so that's the power brush. I'll let you take it for a test ride in a minute. That one there. The way the wheel comes off, if you take a look, just push the button there. That releases it.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. Isn't that amazing though?
Wow. That is something else, huh?
That is serious. Now I want to show you underneath the light. If you look underneath it, see all the sand?
Oh.
That's what the regular vacuums can't get out. Alright, so there it is. Okay, now that right there is called a vacuumable dirt. That's the dirt you can vacuum out with the power brush. Alright.